Hey, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a setup video for November in my monthly spread in the Jibun Techo. I'm going to take a minute to apologize. Where I live, it is the autumn months and the sun has shifted just enough that it casts weird shadows in my workspace and the lighting might change a little bit, so I apologize for that. We're going to jump right into an unboxing of sorts. I'm going to show you the different products that I have from Coco Daisy's Home Sweet Home collection for November. I have the Daisy Weeks calendar stickers. The box also came with this cute little happiness is in the little things sticker. And then I have the planner add-on kit from Coco Daisy. This month it has two washies, a kind of standard size and then a really thin one. It has this cute decorative clip. I normally put those on the front of my planner. A pack of adhesive die cuts. I haven't been using these so much in my actual planner, but we're finding uses for them. Two embroidery patches, and then this is kind of the sticker bundle, excuse me. Each month there's kind of a set list of items in the planner add-on that are consistently the same, like the 3x4s and the 4x6 card. And then there's some things that kind of change throughout the seasons. But here are the stickers that always seem to come with it. A half sheet of kind of word stickers, the labels, a deco sheet, days of the week, and then numbers and letters. This month it also came with this vellum numbers. This is the second month. I also have October's here. I haven't quite found a use for them yet, but I have them off to the side for now. And last in the kit is the rub-ons for the planner add-on kit. So I use a lot of this in setting up and planning throughout the month. So I'm going to put kind of those items that I always use all together, and then kind of the stuff that I haven't found a use for quite yet off to the side. And next I'm going to pull out some pens that I use for marking my or blocking out my time schedules, as well as adding different events throughout the month. These are Zebra Click Art pens. And I believe I grabbed the green, black, smoky blue, and blue black from the Warm Colors collection. These are linked in my description. I love using them. They work right really easily. Here's a quick peek at how October ended up, and we're going to flip on to November. I'm going to pull off these kind of temporary post-it notes for different things going on in our month, and then we're going to put down some washi on the sidebar here. I did this back in September and I really liked the way that it looked. It gave kind of a more of a visual home for the monthly banner. I'm just going to show this washi tape who is boss and get it in order. But I'm going to lay it down, two strips, and I did it so that the stems kind of met. In the end, it's just kind of the petals that peek out on either side, but I really like the way that it looks for me. And that sage green color is just so pretty. Every month I say this is the month that we're going to slow down and it won't be as busy, and then I sit down to do my monthly spread, my monthly calendar spread, and it just feels even busier than the month before. So in the end here, I will have a very full monthly calendar. I, at this point, put down, I think, a deco box up there to cover the last 2 days of October. And then I'm going to cover up the days of the week up at the top. I like to use this calendar week's sticker kit. If you're not familiar with it, it is sized to lay flat across the boxes of a Hobonichi Weeks or similarly sized planner. I use a B6 Slim, which it's close but not quite as narrow as a Weeks sized planner. So my days of the week don't quite cover all of the text up at the top of the calendar. So I put down a piece of washi before putting down my days of the weeks at the top. And I also trim these out because they, like I said, they're meant to be pulled right off the page and laid across a Hobonichi weeks sized planner, which is super convenient if that's what you use, and I don't feel like it inconveniences me any to trim each day out. It gives me a chance to use my hands and is a little bit more crafty. I mostly use my planner in a functional way, not for memory keeping, or I don't go back and add in what I did that day, mainly just keeping track of what I need to do. And I just like to add a little bit of decoration. So for me, trimming it out and sitting down and having the quiet time to set it up is super helpful. So at this point in my planning process or setup process, I like to put the numbers down, but then I realized that it overlaps with the boxes. So instead, I'm going to put all my boxes down first. It only took me like 5-6 months to realize that that's what I need to do. So I'm going to start putting my various boxes and labels down. I took a minute to set up a tab for the month. I like making mine out of the coordinating washi tape for the month. They're flexible, they don't stick out too far, and they don't get ruined because it's just a little flag of washi tape. So as you can see on the left hand side, they're still hanging on from all the other months. I'm going to add in a this month box just to keep track of things that might be coming that have like things that I need to keep in mind that haven't been set time or date, things that I just need to be aware of this coming month. And then I think we're going to get into putting some more boxes down for this month. Paydays. I like to mark all of our paydays on our monthly. It helps with planning all these crazy things that are coming up in our life. Sometimes I get a little overwhelmed with as crazy as our life feels, but I am happy that we do have, or I personally have, a lot of downtime built in to our days. So I am putting down a note and a sticker for December Daily Prep Day. I love December Daily. I love working on my albums. I have finished 2022's album. I just have not shared it on this channel yet. But I will. Those videos are coming. I know I say that all the time, but it's coming. Next in my planner process, I'm going to start adding in birthdays. I flipped through to the perpetual calendar in the front. I think it's called maybe the yearly schedule in the Jibun Techo, but I use it for keeping track of birthdays, and I realized that there were a lot of birthdays that I never filled in, but they are getting put in on my spread here. November 28th is my very best friend's birthday and my grandmother's birthday. Plus, we have an eye appointment that day. So, just hearts and cake stickers to go with our appointment reminder there. and some cake stickers for my brothers, and we'll be putting a cake sticker down for my sister-in-law soon. The kids are building gingerbread houses coming up, so we're putting down a sticker and a reminder for that. And they do that with their school, and it's really fun because then the community borrows them to decorate for our tree lighting party. On the 4th, we have Thanksgiving. When you see this, it'll have already happened, but our community also does a Thanksgiving, so I used one of the calendar week's deco boxes for that. And I'm going to put in a sticker for Veterans Day. I know other parts of the country or other parts of the world call it Remembrance Day, so I grabbed a sticker from PMD. She's my favorite scripty sticker gal, and I know that hers had a Remembrance Day sticker on it, even though it's not the same. But that is going to basically be my setup for the month. This is kind of before the pin. We're going to pop over and you'll see here in a minute what it looks like after the pin with the numbers all put in. And then you're going to see me put in some deco stickers, plants and foliage from the planner add-on kit stickers, and then at the end I'll have some still shots for you. But as always, thank you for spending some time with me as I set up my planners. Hit like and subscribe if you would like to see more from me. Leave any comments and I will get back to you there. Thank you again. Bye bye.